All I want to say is that I wish Jennifer and her family happy holidays.
Fotis continues to express his belief that his estranged wife is alive, and he has said he had nothing to do with her disappearance. Dulos is currently being sued in civil court by Jennifer's family for over $2.5 million. Gloria Farber, Jennifer's mom, says the money was in fact a loan that her late husband gave Fotis to help fund his home building business. But Dulos claims the money was a gift from Jennifer's father, whom he said he was close with.
He and I had a very good relationship. He was like a second father to me.
Jennifer has been missing for months, but Fotis testified in court yesterday that he had expected her mother, Gloria, to pay him $14,000 for each of the next 3 years to help cover the cost of the couple's new home.
And you expect Gloria Farber, the mother of Jennifer Farber, to be giving you gifts, $14,000 a year, even after Jennifer is missing and you've been accused of criminal conduct in connection with her missing?
I don't expect anything. I know what the agreement was.
Attorneys were not allowed to ask any questions regarding the disappearance of Jennifer.
The judge has 120 days to make a decision in this case. So here to break this all down is our legal expert, attorney Alison Triessl.
Hi, good to see you.
Hello, always a pleasure. So first of all, I want to know, what do you make of his holiday greeting, not just to the family, but to Jennifer herself?
Oh, there's so much packed in there. First of all, we do have to remember he has said that he's innocent and that she has just gone missing, a la Gone Girl style, and she'll be back. However, there is a gag order, okay? One of the reasons there was a gag order is that her family kept saying, every time he says something like this, it's so insulting, it's so painful. This woman has left her family and her children. It's insensitive, it's cruel. And I think it's going to come back to burn him in the criminal case.
And that's what we're going to talk about in a second. Before we get to it, I'm curious to know, what about the decision to actually have him testify in the civil court? Was that risky?
I don't think he had a choice. And I think that because the judge limited the testimony to matters strictly financial, nothing having to do with her disappearance. However, he did say things that I think are going to be used against him in the criminal case. For example, in talking about this money that he said was a gift,
right?
It was supposed to be for his business. He took his girlfriend on trips to Argentina.
Right, they'd been gallivanting around the world, multiple trips, right?
And the thought that this was his good friend, the father-in-law, and that it was like a second father to him, I think that'll come back and it will bite him in the criminal case.
Okay, so that's what you're expecting. How do you think this is going to play out with the judge?
I think the judge is going to have a hard time with him saying happy holidays to a woman that's now been missing for 7 months, considering there's a gag order. I really do. I don't think it's going to go over well. But he didn't have a choice in the civil case. He did have to testify.
I am curious to know why you think the judge would have a hard time with that. To me, I kind of see it and I think, well, maybe this is him keeping up with his story and just
He's not supposed to talk about the case.
At all.
He's not. A gag order means
nothing.
A gag order, right?
Means be quiet.
Yeah.
And he is doing the exact opposite right now.
Exactly.
The exact opposite. And the million-dollar question, of course, are we ever going to see murder charges? Yes.
Yes, we will. I'm surprised they haven't filed yet. I think there's enough circumstantial evidence. Quick reminder, trash bags with blood on it, the wife's blood, the car, all that other evidence. I think they're waiting on his girlfriend to flip on him. But I think there's enough circumstantial evidence to charge him today.
We'll see soon enough. Alison, thank you so much.